Friends, today's study travel dine with Pram the Sailor is at the Chinganchira Kshetram. Kollengode is voted as one of the best beautiful places, most beautiful places in India. And there's a temple here. You can see Chinganchira Karupasami Tunai Amme Narayana Ekalavya Ashram. Here you can see nature is being worshipped. Suddenly this temple is very old, but suddenly it has gained popularity. There's a pond here. A lot of offerings are done in this temple. Kollengode. See, enjoy the surroundings. When you are visiting Kerala, please, Kollengode is a must visit place, and Chinganchira temple is a must visit place here. See, these are the roots of this banyan tree. Nature is being worshipped here. This is a peculiarity, long roots, like long hairs. Oh my God, a lot of dogs are taking rest here. See, nature is being worshipped. See the beauty of the nature here. This is a temple model constructed in thermocol. Nice parking place is there. It's about 30 minutes, 25 kilometers from Palakkad town. There are a lot of offerings here for all obstacles, for getting married, for resolving your issues. If you want to make a house, there are so many. If you want to have children, if you want to resolve your loans, then there are a lot of different type of pujas being offered here. Nice, beautiful, serene place. Here you can bring your own This is the main banyan tree. See the roots coming down. Chinganchira temple in Kollengode. A must-see place when you are in Palakkad. Steady travel down with Pram the Sailor. He is taking you around Chinganchira. You can see a lot of fireplaces. People come here, offer the chicken to the deity, and then they do the cooking here. This is another place where they do the guridi. You can see the red water. These are some of the offerings here. You can see a lot of places where you can do cooking. People can bring their own chicken and then they do the cooking here using these stoves and then offer it to the god. On the backdrop, there's a beautiful hill and Siddharkund waterfalls. You can see behind this temple. We travel, dine with Pram the Sailor. Happy to take you to the most popular tourist spot now in Kerala, Kollengode Chinganchira temple. Please visit when you are here. Thank you.